So here's the thing. I don't think artificial intelligence or generative AI, as it stands today in its present form, which operates on top of a large language model, right? It cannot replace human project managers. And let's discuss some of the reasons for it, right? Like, number one, AI is totally dormant. It doesn't proactively follow up. Like, Chat GPT is not going to open up itself, right? The app fires itself up and asks, hey, have you finished that job? Or what's the status of XYZ activity? This is something that project managers are famous, or you can say infamous for. Sure, AI can generate report and update a dashboard and all that, but proactive follow-ups, this is not what AI can do as it stands today. Now, I know you might think that AI can send automated emails or even instant messages for that matter, right? But automated emails have been present out there for a long time and they never work. Nobody reads automated emails, right? So you can call it a very weak form of proactive follow up, but I don't think it works as of today. Now, number two is AI. Can it track if the work is actually done? So imagine if there is a construction project, right? Can AI walk up to the construction site and confirm if the work is done? Sure, it can check if a task is marked complete somewhere in some software. But when it comes to an actual human check, did the team deliver what was actually promised? Can AI attend a customer call and talk about the deliverables or share the nuances of a project? Right? It cannot. Let's just say, like, uh, AI cannot sniff out the BS in a Zoom meeting. And just for that last point, human will always be a step ahead of generative AI. Number three, let's talk about AI and how it struggles with contextual decision making. Projects are rarely linear, and unforeseen challenges often require on the spot decisions that involve, let's say, weighing multiple factors like team dynamics, what are the expectations of the stakeholders, budgets, and much more, right? So, AI can analyze data and it can offer suggestions, but it does not understand the nuances of a shifting project landscape. For example, let's say if a key resource unexpectedly leaves the team or a client demands a sudden change, a human project manager can actually pivot plans. They can actually negotiate timelines. Negotiation is a key word here. Uh, they can communicate effectively in real time. But AI is lacking when it comes to the level of adaptability and the ability to contextualize decisions based on such changing priorities. Number four, let's talk about the fact that AI is indecisive. And if you chat with ChatGPT, you'll realize that you can talk your way out of actually anything. If you share project details with ChatGPT and ask it to create milestones, it can create milestones. But if you ask, are these dates realistic? It might give you a set of new dates. It will create new milestones, right? So if you tell ChatGPT that you're running behind on a project and ask if it would be fine to, let's say, skip something like a sprint review meeting, it might say something like sprint review is important, but if you're late, you can consider skipping it or something of that sort, right? So Chat GPT as it stands today, it is never going to put its foot down and say you must mandatorily do the sprint review regardless of whether you're late or not, right? So, in the end, AI is just a people pleaser, and project managers are not there. They are out there to manage projects. They are not out there to, compete in a popularity contest. So, human project managers need not be people pleasers, but AI, ChatGPT, as it stands today, it is more of a people pleaser. And like I said, you can talk it into anything, right? So it will agree to whatever you say if you say it often enough. So to me, AI, you can think of it as just a friend that doesn't want to cause drama. So while that's a great friend to have, but it can definitely not be a replacement for project managers. Next, I would say AI lacks emotional intelligence as well. So AI cannot empathize, motivate, or build trust with a project team. So, project management, it often involves navigating conflicts. It involves understanding team dynamics. It involves offering encouragement. So, these are deep human traits that AI just cannot replicate, right? So, a manager's ability to read a room or provide emotional support is critical to project success, especially during, let's say, crunch times, or especially during tough conversations. This is not something that AI is capable of doing. Next point, let's talk about how AI cannot build trust and relationships. So it is a continuation of my previous point, right? So project management, this is not just about tasks and deadlines and milestones, right? Project management is about people. One of my mentors used to say, uh, P in project management is about project, sure, but it is as much about people as well. It is a people management job. So, as a project manager, you need to build trust with your team, with your stakeholders. This will involve empathy. This will involve understanding. This will involve consistent communication. So, AI, while it is efficient for sure at maybe sharing updates or analyzing data or generating reports, but it can definitely not foster personal relationships, right? It cannot resolve team conflicts. It likes to please people, right? It cannot inspire a team to go the extra mile during, let's say, any kind of crunch times. So, trust and relationships, these are the glue of successful projects. And that is something which is uniquely human for sure. Next, I would also like to say how AI lacks accountability. AI is not at all accountable or responsible for anything, right? So, and this is one of the key roles of a project manager. It is about being the single point of accountability for project success or failure. When things go wrong, stakeholders and clients and teams and everyone, they want to speak to someone who can explain the situation, who can take the responsibility, who can propose corrective action, right? AI cannot shoulder accountability or negotiate tough conversations. Again, negotiation is a key point here. Accountability, of course, is one of the biggest points that we are already talking about. AI cannot reassure stakeholders in a crisis. So, at the end of the day, projects need a responsible human being to steer the ship, not generative AI for sure. Next, let's talk about how AI cannot navigate organizational politics. And this is also very, very important. Every organization has its own politics and hierarchies and power dynamics, right? And some unspoken rules. Project managers often need to influence without authority. Actually, replace that often in my last sentence with most of the times. Most of the times, we have to influence without authority. So, we have to rally support from key stakeholders. We have to manage egos to keep the project on track. And AI, no matter how advanced it is, it cannot read the room. It cannot leverage personal connections. It cannot diplomatically handle, let's say, any kind of sensitive situation. So, this ability to navigate organizational intricacies is essential for project success. And this is again something which is distinctly human. And finally, I'd also like to say how AI cannot mentor teams. AI cannot be someone that can develop teams, right? It's again something which is totally human. And this is also a big part of a project manager's role, to nurture the team skills, to provide career guidance, to inspire growth. AI might suggest, let's say, some training modules or resources, but it cannot offer tailored mentorship by understanding the other human being that you are speaking to. It cannot recognize unique talents of your team members, and it cannot even encourage team members during challenging times, right? It cannot fire itself up, open up the chat gpt opens up all of a sudden and says that, hey guys, you're doing a great job. It cannot do that, right? A great project manager is also a leader, and leadership is totally human. So I'd say while AI is undeniably a powerful tool, and that is what it is a tool which is very, very powerful, and it will continue to shape the future, right? So it's important to remember that it is something which I am not denouncing. It is something that I feel is very important for everyone out there, right? All of us need to learn generative AI or make use of artificial intelligence just as much as we use other tools on our computer, like the internet, like the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, right? Like other software. AI needs to be used, but it just cannot replace the unique human qualities that we just talked about, right? AI will definitely be an essential skill, as I mentioned, just like Excel or PowerPoint. But the role of a project manager will always require much more than what generative AI can offer. It will require emotional intelligence. It will require accountability. It will require the ability to navigate complex human dynamics. So rather than fearing AI that, ChatGPT is out there to take my job away, you have to embrace it as a tool that can enhance your capabilities. So those who know how to leverage AI will be the ones who thrive, but the job of a true project manager remains safely in human hands. I recently completed a certification around AI offered by PMI, and you can definitely look into it if you want to learn more about AI.